Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Mototherapy. I am Shashikant, and today we are riding to Chincholi Wildlife Sanctuary. It's been long. I have taken my motorcycle out. Very recently, I got my eye surgery done, so I've been away from the motorcycle for a long. And today me and Vinith are together as always, and Satish is riding on Duke 250. So plan is to get to Wildlife Sanctuary, and there is a dam there, so explore it, enjoy, have a good time, and head back as soon as possible because I haven't had any sleep at all. So I'll directly see you at the fuel stop. First fuel break done. It's 6:15 in the morning. If we cross Patincheru before 7 o'clock, I think we should do good. I guess after a really long while we are starting on time. That is because we are only riding in pair. If we had a gang, of course you know the delay. If more people are involved in any ride, I'll see you when there is something exciting. Quick ride update, guys. We have almost covered close to 70 kilometers, another 40 to 45 kilometers, and we should be there. Nothing interesting as of now. It's a plain stretch. There are rough patches here and there, but guys, we are almost there. It's hardly 10 kilometers from now, and the route has beautiful setup. This is what we are here for, and expecting more inside the wildlife sanctuary. Welcome to Chincholi Wildlife Sanctuary. This view is breathtaking, man. On a serious note, this view is just breathtaking. This is even better than Anantagiri Hills. No people, no garbage, only scenery. Man. Wow. Wow. That is the entrance. Let's see where this takes us. Chincholi Wildlife Sanctuary. I actually had plan of visiting Chincholi long back, but unfortunately due to some event I missed out on getting here. But my friends have been here. What about camping in this place, guys? There's nothing here. There's no food, no water supply, and since it's a wildlife sanctuary, I don't think even police will allow us to pitch a tent here. So I don't think that's a good idea. So we stopped by at some point, and locals here told us that there is a good view from here, so we are trekking to hunt that view. Satish and Vinita are following me, and let's go find what we came for. Sunday gone good. I repeat, Sunday gone good. Wow. This is some view. It's not really that tough to get here, but well, this is quite a view. Crazy, కదా? Aha, bro. Crazy, bro. It seems we'll only have the closer view of the lake because we are going down the hill, so I don't think there will be much more than the lake view here. Let's see. It's not a hard trek though. It's very much doable. Because of the rains, the sand is completely washed away, and now there are a lot of stones and rocks which are making difficult to trek, but overall no, it's quite doable. Oh, okay, got it. Now my sleep is totally gone. The way here I had this slight feeling, but now it's gone completely. Oh god. What's more amazing is, if you see, water here is completely brown. On the other side, the color is entirely different. I don't know if it is because of the reflection of the sun or the mud is sturdy. This is it. This is the view. Let's chill here for some time and then make a move. We've spent quite some time getting here, so yeah. What a view, guys. This point, this trek was never in today's list because the only thing I had in my mind when I chose this place was the dam. This is totally out of the book, but this is really, I don't have words to describe it. In fact, didn't take much effort to get here. It was a very easy trek compared to all others we have done. Like, this is on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate it somewhere close to 2 or 3. It's just look at the view. We took a quick power nap. We had some snacks. We picked up some water bottles, and we are good to go. Guys, here it is. We have now reached the dam. For this is the exact location that made me ride to Chincholi Wildlife Sanctuary today, but unfortunately we are not allowed to get our bikes here, but that's okay. And talking about the view, if you see, it looks more like the extension of the view that we saw in the morning today. But yeah, nevertheless, these are two different locations. That is the dam right there. They have 22 kilometers distance between them, and one side it's the water and one side it's forest, and there is nothing else. For some odd reason, there are some vehicles that are allowed to get inside. We didn't even try to bribe the watchman because we respect rules here. So yeah, this is the view. In my opinion, if you're getting to enjoy both the places in single day, and if that's happening under 150 kilometers, you should definitely give it a try.